So I've already cut and opened the box with my mini Adams. Pretty nice. So now let's see. Here, the receipt. I can't believe this price. Those are obviously US numbers. I think it was $2.75 for me. Have the new Benchmade style box. Super nice. And this came with a free hat. Look at that. So nice. Definitely be wearing that. And my last knife that I bought was from House of Knives, and it came with no stickers. And this time, I got a couple little butterflies. Definitely be putting those on my truck. Awesome. Awesome. This is why it's always good to order things from the actual manufacturer. Let's see. Do we want to bless this one? Just a second, beautiful. I'm almost done. Let's see. Nice switch hand. Maybe use the appropriate hand for the job. Cut that bad boy. Mini Adams again. Let's see what we got. Oh, do I not need to cut that? Okay. There we go.
Why do you not want to cut it?
Oof, that new box is nice. Yours for life. Comes in the microfiber plastic bag. Just a second, beautiful. Take it out of the sleeve. The little axis lock. SV90. Ooh, not good. Very sticky out of the box. Let's remove this. I'll have to switch over the pocket clip to the left-hand carry, as I am left-handed. This will definitely take some lubrication, maybe a little bit of loosening somewhere, because it's brand new, chica, maybe. But anyways, new mini Freek. Love it. It's got the carbon fiber scales, SV90 blade, the thumb studs. Very nice for a steal of a price. $247 plus tax, so it came out to like $275, I believe. To buy the Osborne equivalent of this, the identical but an Osborne, it's like $480. And if you were to try to buy this knife from House of Knives, it's $480. And if you were to buy it from Bass Pro, I believe it's $480 as well. So a hell of a steal. Love it.